In today's digital workspace, SharePoint has become an indispensable tool, powering collaboration and productivity across millions of businesses. This isn't just a simple statement, it's a testament to the power and reach of SharePoint. Every day, it's in use by small businesses, large corporations, and everything in between. It's not limited to any particular industry or sector either. Its features are universal, making it a versatile tool for any business. Secure document management is one such feature. With SharePoint, you can ensure that your documents are safe and accessible only to those who need them. Then there's team collaboration. SharePoint simplifies teamwork, making it easier than ever to work together, no matter where you are. And let's not forget about its seamless integration with other Microsoft services. This makes SharePoint not just a standalone tool, but a part of a larger, more comprehensive ecosystem. Mastering SharePoint can unlock a world of seamless collaboration and efficient workflow for you and your team. To make the most of SharePoint, start by understanding its core features. At its heart, SharePoint is a web-based collaborative platform that integrates with Microsoft Office. Primarily, it's a document management and storage system, but it's also so much more. SharePoint is like a Swiss Army knife of business tools. It's designed to streamline your day-to-day tasks, making them more efficient and more organized. It's a platform that promotes collaboration and communication among team members, regardless of where they are in the world. Imagine you're working on a project with multiple people. In the past, you'd have to email documents back and forth, keep track of different versions, and make sure everyone is on the same page. With SharePoint, all of that hassle is a thing of the past. It allows you to store, organize, share, and access information from any device. All you need is a web browser. One of SharePoint's core features is its ability to provide a centralized and protected location where you can store, organize, share, and access your information. It gives you the ability to manage documents and workflows in a highly customizable environment. You can set up a site for a specific project and then control who has access to it, what they can do, and even how things look. In addition to document management, SharePoint also offers features like lists, calendars, contacts, and tasks. These tools help you manage your team's time and resources more effectively. You can even create custom applications that suit your specific needs. SharePoint also has powerful search capabilities. It doesn't just look for file names, it also searches within documents and even recognizes text and pictures. This makes finding what you need much easier and faster. And let's not forget about SharePoint's capability to integrate with other Microsoft Office products. This means you can work on Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files directly in SharePoint, and even co-author documents in real time. So, when you think of SharePoint, think of it as more than just a storage system. It's a hub where your team can work together seamlessly, where information is easy to find and manage, and where you can customize your workspace to fit your needs. Understanding these functions forms the bedrock of your SharePoint proficiency. The SharePoint interface is your gateway to its powerful features. Now let's take a closer look at this gateway and learn how to navigate through it effectively. Think of the SharePoint interface as a well-organized office space. The home page? That's like your personal desk. It's where you'll find updates, news, and links to documents and sites you frequently visit. Moving on, let's explore the document libraries. Imagine these as your filing cabinets. Document libraries are where you store and organize your files. They are designed to provide easy access and smooth collaboration. You can create multiple libraries for different projects or departments, making it easy to keep track of your documents. And the best part? You can access these libraries from anywhere, at any time, as long as you have an internet connection. Next up are the team sites. Picture these as your meeting rooms. Team sites are shared spaces where you and your team can collaborate. Here, you can share files, data, news, and resources, fostering a productive work environment. You can even personalize these spaces to reflect your team's style and workflow. Now, how about the navigation bar? Think of it as your office directory. It's located on the left side of your screen and allows you to swiftly move between different areas of SharePoint. You'll find links to your homepage, document libraries, team sites, and more. Remember, SharePoint is designed to be user-friendly. It may seem overwhelming at first, but with a little practice, you'll quickly become comfortable with its interface. Don't be afraid to explore and play around with its features. After all, the more you understand the interface, the more you can take advantage of SharePoint's powerful features. In conclusion, the SharePoint interface is more than just a collection of buttons and links. It's an efficient workspace designed to enhance your productivity and collaboration. And just like a well-organized office, knowing where everything is and how to use it effectively is key to mastering SharePoint. Familiarity with the interface puts you in control of SharePoint's extensive capabilities. SharePoint shines brightest when it comes to collaboration. One of the most potent aspects of SharePoint is its capability to facilitate seamless collaboration among team members. It's like having a digital workspace where everyone can come together, share ideas, and work on projects without the limitations of physical boundaries. Let's start with sharing documents. SharePoint is a dream come true for those who need to share files and documents with their colleagues regularly. You can easily upload files to a SharePoint site, and from there, anyone who has access to that site can view, download, or edit the files. No more back-and-forth emails with bulky attachments. Everything is in one place, accessible anytime, anywhere. Now let's talk about co-authoring in real time. Ever been in a situation where multiple team members need to work on the same document simultaneously? With SharePoint, this is not only possible, it's also incredibly easy. When a document is stored on SharePoint, multiple people can open it and make changes at the same time. You can see who else is working on the document and even watch their changes as they happen. This real-time collaboration eliminates the need for multiple versions of the same file and ensures everyone is always on the same page. Lastly, let's not forget about SharePoint's integration with Microsoft Teams. This combination amplifies collaboration to a whole new level. Within Teams, you can create a team site in SharePoint with just a few clicks. This site can be used to store shared files, track tasks, and even create shared calendars. And the best part? All these can be accessed directly from Teams, meaning you don't even have to leave the app to get to your SharePoint content. With these collaboration features, SharePoint makes teamwork not just possible, but effortless. Security is paramount in any digital workspace, and SharePoint is no exception. When it comes to securing your SharePoint, it's a three-step dance: setting permissions, managing access, and using version history. Let's break that down, shall we? First, setting permissions. SharePoint allows you to dictate who can view, edit, or delete content on your site. This is done through permission levels, which are essentially sets of access rights. For instance, the read permission level allows a user to view pages and list items, but not make changes. Contribute, on the other hand, lets users view, add, update, and delete list items and documents. By setting these permissions, you maintain control over who can do what on your SharePoint site. Now, on to managing access. SharePoint utilizes groups to make permission management easier. You can add users to groups based on their roles or responsibilities, and then assign permission levels to those groups. For example, you might have a marketing team group with the contribute permission level, allowing them to add or update content. Conversely, an external clients group might only have read permissions to view content without making changes. This granular control is essential for maintaining the integrity of your SharePoint site. Lastly, let's talk about version history. This is a feature that automatically keeps track of changes made to documents or list items in SharePoint. Every time a change is made, a new version is created, complete with information about who made the change and when. This isn't just useful for tracking edits, it's also a lifesaver if you ever need to revert back to a previous version of a document. So, there you have it. Implementing these 3 steps, setting permissions, managing access, and using version history, will help maintain the security of your SharePoint site. Remember, it's about protecting your content, safeguarding your data, and ensuring the right people have the right access at the right time. With these security measures, SharePoint ensures your data remains protected, giving you peace of mind. Mastering SharePoint is a journey, and you've taken the first step. We've embarked on this journey together, delving into the heart of SharePoint. We've discovered its power and why it's such a vital tool in the digital world. We've stripped it back to its basics, understanding its core functionality and how it's designed to streamline and simplify your work. We've then navigated through its interface, learning how to interact with it and make it work for us. We've explored how SharePoint brings teams together, fostering collaboration and shared understanding. And crucially, we've learned about securing SharePoint, ensuring our valuable data remains protected. But remember, this is just the beginning of your SharePoint adventure. With this foundation, you're now ready to explore SharePoint further and harness its full potential in your digital workspace. This powerful tool is now at your fingertips, ready for you to shape it to your needs. And that is truly exciting.